up, good people of the internet? It's your boy Fun swinging by once again with another episode of Phasmaphobia, and I'm here with Landon.
There's a pentagram here. There's a pentagram here.
I don't. Oh, that thing. What the heck?
It's Ahmed.
Did you? No, flashlight. Did you see the flashlight?
It's an arrow, yeah.
The heck?
Oh my god, look at over here. Look at that. Oh my god.
What? I see a cross.
You see a cross, but do you see the lines? The drawings around it. And it says run over there.
I don't see any lines.
Handprint.
Is he still there?
The girl from the ring.
And hey, Grandma.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't see anything.
Take the UV and look. Take
All
that
right.
flashlight and look.
How do I
Press
pick it up?
C and hit E. Press C and hit E.
What the?
Yeah! Turn it back on.
No, I'm looking.
Turn it back on. It's not on.
It's on for me. Why are you here? It says. What? Looks like Freddy Krueger has been here.
Yeah, I know.
Stay
All
with
right.
me.
No.
I'm under the chain. Help me.
Hi, Grandma.
That guy. The sign says help.
Yeah, they've added a lot.
Oh God, that's a lot of sixes.
What?
There's a bunch of sixes in here. Look.
Drop it. Drop it. G.
How do G?
G.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh my god!
What kind of update is this?
I don't know, but it's...
What's that on the window? Over there.
Go away, is what it says.
Of course it says that.
Go away. Right here it says run.
Wait, and there's probably some. Actually, you don't give me that. Shine it on that. Wait. Oh, it says run. That thing says run.
Add your stuff.
Okay.
Make sure you go to add and hit the plus.
I have to buy some stuff. I think.
No, you don't. No, you
All
don't.
the stuff is I have are zeros.
Even a thermometer? Even a crucifix?
Apparently.
Bullshit!
Watch my video. Okay,
Oh, I cannot wait, because the last time you said that, I saw bunches of ones.
Okay, thermometer. Bam. Owned. Now I got a thermometer and a crucifix.
Make sure you hit the plus. Make sure you hit the plus. Make sure you hit the plus on them.
Bam and bam. Anything else do I need?
Strong flashlight.
Okay, buy. Strong flashlight. Bam.
And
Anything
make sure
else?
to hit the plus. Did you hit the plus?
Before I exit the store. What else do I need? Is that all?
Yeah, that should be.
All right. Add and then strong flashlight. Bam.
There you go. Now you got it. All right.
All right. That was so freaky.
Okay, buddy. Sure.
Wait.
Alright, you're going to... Excuse me. Crap.
Morty.
Alright, do you want to try a harder difficulty, or do you want to get back into it real quick?
Just get back into it.
Okay. After this, we'll go for intermediate.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
No.
I'll see you in the trailer.
I'm gonna see my girlfriend at 5.
Yeah, look at the monitors now. Look at the
Whoa.
monitors now. Yeah.
They sure updated it.
Even they have a little home thing for the Steam VR too. That is Phasmaphobia themed.
Alright, I'm about to put my best German accent for this. Looks like
that playing Martha is dead, and that has Nazis, so I would recommend not doing that.
Okay.
Or otherwise, I'll get banned.
Alright. Alright, the ghost name is Barbara Maudsley. Seems to be responding to people who are alone. So, I'm sticking with you.
Great. We need, okay, smudge sticks, ghost event, and crucifix. Those are easy.
Do we even have smudge sticks?
Yes, right here.
Alright.
Right here.
You ready? Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta grab me a flashlight. Flashlight. Where's my flashlight?
It's that one right there. I'd recommend, just to find it, get a thermometer just to find it. If you get low temperatures, that means you're getting... no, it's the purple thing right over here, right by the sanity pills.
Oh, okay.
And maybe bring the EMF reader.
Alright.
And kind of swap between those while you're in there. I got the spirit box, so if we find it, we can try and knock that out too.
Alright, let's go.
Let's get this go!
I am in the closet. How do I... Uh-oh. Hold on. My mom's calling. Be right back. Hello? Okay. Yeah. Yeah? They said, 5 would be a good time. They said 5 would be a good time. We'll go to church on 7. I'm not gonna go with them. Alright. No, not right now, no. I don't have that much longer, it's just the whites. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, this one's the vibe we're making on the trip. Right? Yeah, I got all of that. Not that I can think of, no. Alright, we're good, okay. What? Alright. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. Alright, I'm back. Hold on, I'm coming. What'd you say?
Try the EMF reader over here. I think it's around here somewhere. Are you here with us? Give us a sign. Where are you? It's not spirit box. Keep trying the EMF reader. Keep trying the EMF reader. 7 degrees. Okay, yeah, it's here. It's here.
I got 11. Oh, yep, 7 right here. So it's around here in the living room.
Well, it opened these doors. I didn't even touch these doors. You were. I didn't touch that.
No. I was like, was that you?
No.
I got 2.
More shit.
You should be fine for now.
Yeah?
Keep staying there with the...
Oh, go back in there and try the EMF. You should be fine for now.
Alright. What's the timer on?
2 minutes, you should be fine. Like I said,
Okay.
you should be fine.
I turned that off.
Jason, where are you at?
I'm in the basement.
It's not in the basement.
It's not in the basement.
I'm just checking for anything like bones and stuff.
It likes to open this door constantly. So maybe let's put this right here.
Hmm.
Okay, change of plans.
Oh.
What's that?
I just hit a 2.
It's not in there, Jason. It's not in there.
What? I just hit a 5.
Oh, EMF 5? Okay, that's our first thing of evidence.
I just got a 5 somewhere. Oh! I'm not moving. I got a 5.
Alright, then. Here. I'll put this in here for now.
The heck?
I don't know, but I'll put this in here for now.
Alright. Just making sure anything else, like an 8. Is that a... Okay, I thought I just saw a mirror.
No, it can't be a, I don't know. 22. Yeah, and be here. It's right here in the hallway.
I'm just gonna write
in the hallway.
Yeah, I don't know why why did it turn 5 all of a sudden?
Right in the book.
How do you do it again? T?
No. Not like that. I am talking about the ghost.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's get out and let's
regroup.
What we found. All right. So EMF 5.
All right. Wait, how do I pull out the book?
It's a J.
Oh, I just heard someone getting a text.
Yeah, I'm getting a text too.
Evidence, EMF level 5, alright. What else do we need? Put a crucifix in there, and then using smudge sticks.
It's in the worst place possible for a crucifix. It has to be there.
So yeah, what do we do about the smudge sticks?
Right now, let's just try to figure out what it is before we go straight to the crucifix.
Alright.
Why don't you bring this crucifix in and put it down on the floor. I'm gonna start setting it up.
Where is it?
I threw it down right there.
Oh my god, my dogs are going crazy. Alright, I put it down. Oh my god, my dogs! Guys, I'm in the middle of recording! Mira? In my room? Right, Mira, come on. No, Mira, get in there. Okay. Alright, okay. Anything?
No, nothing but these. Where'd you put the door?
Oh, no, Mira, move! What, Bob? What, Bob? Okay.
Alright, let's get back to the truck.
Alright,
get
dang
back
it,
to
I keep
the
getting interruptions. First a call from my mother, and then she comes home, and then my dogs are going nuts.
Let's see if there's a dots or anything like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna be watching.
I might go put in another camera in.
Okay. Mira! Okay, I was about to say, like, I thought I saw something, but it was just you.
Okay, no fingerprints because it just touched the door and there's no fingerprints. So we'll mark fingerprints as not an option.
All right.
Here, maybe check that other one real quick that I put down. See if we can find some orbs.
All right.
It's just a little bastard.
This guy's tricky. I'm gonna try drawing him out. Barbara Maudsley.
Well, nah, don't try that because if we piss it off as much as we need to, it's gonna hunt. So, well, our sanity's fine, so I think we should be fine for the time being.
I mean, we need to get something.
We do. We really need to get something. Here, I'm gonna. Don't piss it off just yet. Let's keep. Oh, 4, 3. Back to 6. Goes to vet. Goes to vet. You're fine. You're fine. It was just a ghost of it.
Okay. I was like,
give us a sign. Are you here with us?
I
Give
hear
us
it
a
open.
sign.
I hear it opening a door.
Yeah, just don't try the. It just touched that. Maybe there's a handprint on there. Turn your flashlight off.
I don't.
T. Okay, yeah, no fingerprints.
This guy's. This lady's tough.
Yeah. Here, let's move it close right there real quick, because that's where it spawns. Okay, it's not freezing temperatures either. Otherwise, we'd see our breath at this point.
Okay. What else? What other options is there? Ghost orb, dots projector, ghost writing, freezing temperature. No.
Let's go back to the truck real quick. Let's go back to the truck.
All right.
Because we just marked off. I took off 2 things.
What?
I took off freezing temperatures and fingerprints. Those options are definitely out.
So we got either a wraith, spirit, or Reiju.
Or Raiju, yeah. What do they need? A spirit needs spirit box and ghost writing. I don't think it's a spirit. Or a wraith. It might be a Raiju, because I tried the spirit box. It does not want to write in that spirit box.
All it is it's obsessed with that one door.
Okay, a dots has to happen. A dots has to happen.
Where are the smudge sticks? Okay, so what do I do here?
Okay, well, for the smudge sticks, you need a lighter and the smudge sticks. So drop the EMF.
But
Well, wait, we don't really need the EMF anymore. Okay, and get a lighter. Get the lighter, and grab a smudge stick. With E. Open the... Okay, now go in there before you waste it.
Alright. So what do smudge sticks do?
It prevents it from hunting for a little bit.
Alright.
Oh, writing in the book. Alright, press F.
Alright, writing in the book.
And walk around.
Okay.
Right, so we got ghost writing. And it should be cleansed.
Oh, and it says the only option left is spirit, so...
So it could be a spirit. It might be a spirit.
It's just scribbles.
What? I know. So if
we gotta get the crucifix.
Well, it'll happen. It'll happen. It just happens to be in the worst fucking place possible. Yeah, there's no way it's freezing temperatures. No way it's freezing temperatures. We would have seen something by now. Jason, did
Yeah?
you open this door? Did you open this door?
No? I was over here. I was over at the couch.
That's not good.
Again, that ghost movie really liked this door.
Okay, yeah, it is. Here, I guess if it is spirit, this should go off. Give us a sign.
Nothing.
Could it be in there? Could it have been in there the whole time?
I don't know.
I'm gonna move the camera. I'm gonna move the camera in here.
And I'm gonna grab the crucifix. How do I grab it?
E.
I'm pressing E, but I can't grab it.
Oh, don't pick that one up. Don't pick that one up. I got it.
Oh. I can't even grab it. Oh, landed. You son of a...
Shh. I think it was just a ghost event. Ghost event.
Dang it! Stop it! Stop it, ghost!
Oh man.
The thing is,
I think at this point we're pissing it off.
we haven't even said its name yet.
Let's see. Oh my god! Look at my sanity.
What? I'm coming.
My sanity is at 46. Look at yours, 61.
Mine says 57. And yours at 46.
Okay. Hang on. Spirit. Can be temporarily stopped by burning smudge sticks near them.
That does explain the smudge
Okay,
sticks.
So, I mean, it has to be a spirit because
Yeah,
it's
it
not
has to be.
fingerprints. So, I'm guessing it's just refusing to talk to us through the spirit box. So
Okay.
I'm going with it has to be a spirit.
Yeah.
You want to try? You want to try and get that?
No, I think I'm good.
All right.
Let's just get out of here.
Yep, I'm with you there. Let's just go. You got spirit?
Yeah.
If we're wrong after all this, I'm gonna be mad.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like, are you kidding me? So many interruptions.
Spirits!
Heyo!
Good. Yeah, all those were ghost events.
All right. All right.
All right.
You want to go again?
I'd say, yeah. Let's keep going.
All right, let's go. I already got my stuff ready.
Did you actually add them though? Like, did you hit the plus sign on them? Yep. you
Okay,
did.
strong flashlight.
Yep. Nope, I see it. You're good.
Okay.
All right, let's do the Grafton on. Yeah, let's stick with the amateur for a bit, and the last one we'll do intermediate. Or the last few we'll do intermediate. So let's do one more on amateur, then we'll go up a level. How's
All
that
right.
sound?
Got it.
All right.
Okay. Landed? Alright. Let's see what we got.
I am not using that.
What?
Cursed item. Well,
At least we... Okay, we get smudge sticks.
Craft. Okay. Ghost
Responds
says
to everyone.
Craft responds, yep. And get an average sanity below 25.
Nope.
Smudge sticks and ghost event.
Alright, I'll grab the spirit box.
Oh, you're gonna do the spirit box?
Yep. Flashlight.
And how about you grab the thermometer? I will swap with the EMF read. I'll swap between the EMF and the whatchamacallit.
All right.
Still get readings on the EMF.
I got the yep. I got the thermometer, flashlight, and spirit box.
Here. Probably a good idea. Probably a good idea to set these up and just get them ready. God damn it.
Yes, we do with
Yes.
sanity, smudge sticks, and habiting. It says sanity below 25, smudge sticks, and ghost event.
So
There's no way.
So the average sanity. So the average sanity, not one, just the average, has to be below 25.
That's gonna suck.
I mean, we can easily do it if we use the cursed item. But every time I've used a cursed item, I've died. So I don't think I'm not gonna be using that.
All right, let's get in there.
Let's get this ghost!
Leroy Jenkins. All right,
Okay, do you want the upstairs or downstairs?
I'll take right here.
Okay, I'll go upstairs then.
Jason, I will say this. Once our time is up, if shit gets scary, get into a room, hide, turn your light off, close the door.
Okay. Okay.
If you can't find any other hiding places. No summoning circle.
Where are you? How big is this place?
It's not as big as the high school and the asylum. But it
Noted.
has 2 stories.
Noted. Someone needs to clean up their bathtub.
Okay, nothing up here, so I'm coming down to help you.
All right. Oh, oh! I got something. I got something. I got 4, 7, and all that. 3.
What's your 20? Oh, I see it.
I think I know where you're at.
It's in here.
Yep.
All right. Here we go. Give us a sign. Give us a sign. Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. Oh, I got a 1. So it's in here.
So, possible freezing temperatures.
Yeah, possible. Yep, I got a 1. So,
EMF readings. Well, we know it's in here, so I'd say let's go and find. So let's come back and get some shit.
all right.
I'm gonna keep exploring. Did you open that?
How old are you?
Oh, hit a Ouija board.
What? Where are you?
It's in there.
Oh, dang it, we need a picture.
Well, I'll tell you this. I'm not fucking with that thing.
Are you here with us? What?
It wouldn't be over there if you're getting cold temperatures here.
I got the Ouija board.
If I die from you using that thing, I'm gonna kill you.
All right.
Easy. Oh, whoa, whoa! Freezing temperatures. Freezing temperatures.
What?
I
What?
see my breath.
Okay.
I see my breath. Freezing temperatures.
Freezing temperatures.
Let's go back to the truck and get some shit.
Wait, hold on.
Oh yeah, -degrees. Okay, hang on.
Are you here with us?
Are you using a Ouija board?
I am.
No!
I don't even know how to use.
It's trainer clock to 0! You idiot!
I'm getting out.
You fucking moron!
At least we got some kind of a ghost event or something, right?
What? Did you get a ghost event?
Yeah, I got a ghost event. I heard a whisper.
Tell me
Hey!
you did not actually use that thing. Tell me you
I
did
didn't
not
know how to
actually
use it. All I just said was give us a sign.
Tell me you didn't actually use it.
Hey, more money for us, okay?
No, not more money, because if it burns, it's gonna be angry.
I didn't see it get burned, so all I got was a whisper.
Did you say goodbye?
No.
Oh.
It's in the room. Wait up, dude.
I told you not to use that thing, you moron!
But we needed the cash.
You don't get cash from it, you idiot!
I'm gonna pull up the dots thing. Somehow my sanity hasn't got a dent. I got 63, while you got 72.
Because you use this stupid Ouija board!
Is this the dots thing?
I can't see. It's this.
That's
Oh,
the
okay.
dots thing?
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Here.
Alright, let's put it in there.
I got it.
I got the...
Here, take the UV. Take the UV. Put that back.
How do I...
F.
Okay,
Put the book down.
I'm gonna go put it in the room.
There is a camera in there, so maybe put it in the other corner.
Alright, I forgot where is it.
It's over here.
Yep, I saw that. Freezing temperatures, okay.
Damn it.
How do I... G...
Right in the book. Right there. Yeah, that should be good.
There we go.
Right in the book, please. The fuck was that?
That was my spray thingy.
Oh. That was a ghost. Oh, I saw a ghost orb. I see a ghost orb.
Ghost orb? Okay, Ghost
It's
orb.
a Revenant, Yurei, Hanto, or an Onryo. I really hope it's not an Onryo.
Okay. I really can't see anything.
I see it. It's right over there.
Yeah, I see the orbs. It was like, if only we had a better flashlight on this thing.
All right. Okay. What do we need? Okay.
We need smudge sticks.
No, for the ghost. Okay. A Revenant. Okay. A Revenant, Yurei, Hanto, and an Onryo. A Revenant needs ghost writing. A Yurei needs dots projectors. A Hanto needs fingerprints. And an Onryo needs spirit box. Stop it.
Stop it. You stop it. Stop it. You stop it. I was trying to change the camera. There we
Hit
go.
the mouse, idiot.
There we go. We should get a better view from here now. So,
There,
who's gonna go in
Why
there?
don't you come in with me? You're coming in with me.
What? I gotta watch the thing for the dots!
We can come back and watch it. I need you to clarify the fingerprints, and we need to drop a crucifix in.
Alright, I'll get the smudge sticks too. Because of the
Make
crucifix.
sure you bring a lighter. Make sure you bring a lighter. Make sure you bring a lighter.
Okay, let's go in there.
Do not light that just yet. Wait till we get to the room.
At least the smudge sticks should protect us for a little bit.
Yeah, for a little bit. Yeah.
I saw my light flicker.
No, that was me. I was making sure it was on.
Oh, okay.
All right. Hit F as soon as you walk in that door.
Okay. Bam!
Did you bring a... Okay, good. So let's say, did you bring a lighter? Hope you brought a lighter.
Alright.
All right, we're gonna need another... We need another DOS projector. It's literally in the worst place possible. Goes to vent. Goes to vent. Goes to vent. Goes to vent. Goes to vent.
Goes to vent. Goes to vent. Goes to vent. I heard a grudge noise and I heard a hey.
Yeah, that's what I heard too. That means it's just a ghost of it.
At least we're... Hey, that should have protected
that means
us.
It's just trying... No, that means it's just trying to scare us. It prevents you from a hunt, not an event. An event is totally different.
Okay. At least we got the smudge sticks.
Okay, I'm gonna bring it in there. I'm gonna bring. Oh,
The last thing we had to do is get our sanity on 25%, which I refuse to do. Or unless...
bring that camera. Bring that camera. Bring that camera, and let's take a picture of that crucifix.
Oh,
I mean, not the crucifix, the Ouija board.
Okay.
The Ouija board.
Let me guess. More cash for us if we take the picture?
Oh yeah, definitely. More picture of the Ouija board, especially.
Okay.
Handprint. We know what it is.
Wait, hold on. Let me take a picture and... Bam!
All right, let's
Okay.
get out of here. Let's get the hell out.
Yes, please. What are the odds of the thing?
Raymond Craft.
Okay, hold on. What'd you say? Fingerprints?
Fingerprints.
I got a Hantu.
It's a Hanto.
I got ghost orb, freezing temperature, and fingerprints. Okay. Alright, let's get the heck out of here.
I want to get it. I'm gonna get it. You're coming in with me.
What? Why me?
Because it's funny.
For you?
Yeah, it's footage.
You want to die?
I'm going up here. Here, I got.
But it's in there.
Let's get that. Bring that Ouija board.
I'm not touching that Ouija board again.
Hey, settle down.
Sorry.
Pick yourself up off your floor and back
Middle of recording.
I'd get out. I'd get out.
Get
I'd
back
get
in your
out.
floor.
I'd get out. I'd get out of there. That's where not
And I told you to put those black clothes in the basket.
I'm gonna risk it, Landon.
No, don't get up here.
Where'd you go?
Wait. Upstairs.
Oh, I went back to the room.
Away from the ghost. If shit gets scary, we'll go in here and hide.
It's up to sister.
Okay.
I want you to put those clothes in a basket, pick up your floor, and vacuum.
Okay.
Well, let 'em go.
Alright, alright.
Love you.
Love you too. Well, there's my title. Too many interruptions.
I'm shutting that.
So what now?
All right. Are you there with us? Point to the moon, or no, point to the sun if there's a ghost with us.
Nothing.
Are you Michael Kraft? Hello?
It's not working.
Are there any spirits that want to communicate with us? Yes or no? Are there any spirits that want to communicate with us? Yes or no? This doesn't feel right.
It's not gonna work. Let's get this over with so I can go clean up the rest of my room.
Might actually work. Might work. Might work. Hide.
What was that?
We got it. We got it.
What'd you see?
Okay. Okay, goodbye. I heard the ghost.
I didn't hear nothing.
I heard it.
Yeah, let's I'm gonna... How do I turn on the flashlight?
Turn that light up. T.
I think we're good. Let's get out of here. Oh my god. Let's get the frick out of here. Landon, I can't hear you.
That's why I muted my mic. I actually turned it off.
Oh my
So the
god.
ghost wouldn't hear me.
Oh my god, that was horrifying.
That was intense. But hey, we got it. We got it, and it is a hunt.
Honto. Now let's get the heck out of here so I can
Get
end my
outta here.
video and go clean my room.
Mission accomplished.
Alright. As soon as we make it back, I'm going to end the video.
It was a mimic?
What? Are you freaking kidding me?
All that hard work. We saw a ghost. Oh.
What?
Oh.
What?
A mimic can show ghost orbs without it being in evidence. Oh my god, no. God damn it, no.
Alright, I'm going to end the video here before I break something.
Yeah, that's infuriating.
Alright, anyway, I'm going to go clean my room, everyone. Thank you all so much for watching. This has been another episode of Phasmaphobia. I'm already pissed off.
I can't believe that.
Can't believe it.
That was infuriating.
Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. And we'll see you all swinging by in the next video. Bye-bye!
See ya. If you guys are watching my channel, be sure to go subscribe to Jason. That is YouTube channel Funnel Web.